Hello, everyone. To the next malware video. Today, looking at a similar collection of rogues here: password protection, security protection, and internet security. My notes for these are very short. They're due to the very generic ass name. Look at the description of that. That's not even a fucking description. It's a bunch of garbage. Due to the generic ass name of these, password protection, security protection, internet security, Googling these, I can't really find a whole lot for them. Nor can I find any attribution keys, so I don't have those for these today. Not a huge deal. This means we can't show that method of moving them, but you've seen other road videos, no big deal. Let's start the first one. I mean, the interface doesn't look bad. This probably could be capitalized, but it's still DSIGND2 protect. Yeah, it's all spelled correctly. Full PC scan, and in this section you are able to run a full scan of your SDM for possible warnings and threats. Scan being performed, and it's PER. For most, I thought performed would be PRE. It's PER formed. Yeah, all this spelling looks pretty good, actually. Yeah, very funny. They got explained in. No, I was going to do a FBA Minecraft video, and I couldn't get to work. Let's start explaining in the video before, I think it was the October video. They'll try to scare you, saying, oh, we found child porn. I can tell you firsthand, I created this game from scratch years ago. That has never, ever been on this VM or anything I ever had, because I'm not a sick fuck in the head. So this, I can tell you straight off the bat, is BS. Trojan agent, Trojan downloader, Trojan agent, Blaster. Blaster is an actual worm from, I want to say like early 2000s, 2003, 2005, somewhere in there. So that one, it's not a bad idea. You're using an actual known worm from, I don't know how old these are, but used beforehand. The homepage, not bad looking. Again, the spelling looks decent. I argue it's actually pretty good. Whoever wrote this knew English pretty well, or had something involved that did. If you activate it, you're gonna want the key, and again, I couldn't find one for it. You cannot do this because it's not activated. Check for updates. This is funny. So this is just a new that is available. Now I find that funny because this computer has no internet to do it. So how do you know there's an update available, but there's no internet? Obviously I know why, because it's bullshit. But, and as you probably can guess, if you want to do it, you have to activate it now. So, I wonder if, yeah. Even I'm sure the page is long dead, so no big deal. The scan is done. Again, spelling looks good. Until that critical, oh no, 1 at medium, and 2 are junk. And that is the thing with malware too. You have something that's not necessarily bad, it's more to annoy you, or to spam you with ads. It's not necessarily harmful, but 99% of people don't want it. Call that adware. But it's not harming your system, or maybe slowing it down a little bit. But it's not like stealing your data or destroying it, whatever. Whether they call it adware or junkware, or usually called pups. Potentially unwanted programs. Which most of the time are unwanted. Full PC games, what we saw earlier. They just repeat itself a few times. You see that here, you see it here and here. You see Blaster, Bronze Dog. That I've never heard of. It might be a real thing, but I can't say for sure. Firewall. Of course, it's turned off. I turn it on. What did you guess is gonna happen? Update settings. enable them again. Now this, I hate automatic updates, so to me this is a feature. I'd pay you to turn them off. Not in this case, but anyhow. Global settings, I can turn off start Windows and scan out startup, save the settings. You can't save them. Gotcha, I was gonna say, it doesn't work, but I didn't see the save before, and you can't save them because, gotcha. And of course, this opens work. Bit my lip. Unless it's open from and it can't because it's blocking it. So, how good is this rogue? Well, it does stop TechSavvvvy by the blaster one, but it does not stop anything named Explorer.exe. So, should I navigate to the System32 folder, find the program for the task manager. Is it? Crash once again, you can't run it. But call it Explorer. It opens right up. So it's not a very sophisticated program blocker. If I go I Explorer, the Internet Explorer. No. What about CS or SS? Yep. No, it's SEC host. Or anything in there would run, huh? Yeah. That's the Google update run. No. I think that's because I'm not the one running it. Yeah, it's running the system account, probably why. If I thought it was running that none either. But yeah, you can go in here and simply just kill it. Bye bye. And now everything works. Removable. We can go under Reg Edit. This one goes underneath the current user and not local machine, which is, I mean, good for the computer and the user, but kind of dumb on their end. Microsoft, Windows, current version, run. Yeah. And it runs the file straight off the desktop. Interesting. Try that. Okay, take this key here. Knock out the file. Or one or the other, really. Boot it, and it will be gone. What I haven't tried yet is running them after removing the previous one. I always just restore the snapshot. I'm curious to see if you already recognize the affected once before. Actually, another way to remove it too. So that's the test manager and just asking it, not deleting the post. Where? Yeah. Oh no, it's gonna work. Here is the security protection. It's basically the same fucking thing as before. They don't change much. Literally, it looks exactly the same. And usually, the sync activation key can be used for all different variations. So we're doing, I'm going to be reading the file track, but you can't delete this, sadly, because it's running it. We'll get error here in a second that it can't be deleted. Yeah. Weirdly though, you can rename it. So literally just put anything else at the end of it. That's my number one on. But number 2 on the end of it, I can rename it for some reason. And then reboot. I'll show you guys here. Can't open Chrome. Can't run TechSavvvvy. Normally. But that 2 in there, it will not work. We'll get the reboot done. And it won't be there. We'll get over and run here. this guy. Either or get this net and hook this computer for security reasons. We can play the dinosaur game now. Introduction time. I'm kicked out of this. This is so stupid. Does the neighbors are supposed to have this in it? I wonder. I know in high school we had Chromebooks, and the fucking a-holes in the IT department blocked the game, like they shut it off. You couldn't play it. Like, you fucking a-holes. Can't have like the slightest bit of fun, now, can you? Nope, no game for you. I get you're in school, but come on. It's not our fault your internet's fucking trash and there are a bunch of fucking morons that can't get a goddamn thing working right. The stupid shit I saw my high school's IT department do. They gave out a laptop to a teacher. They had no fucking drivers on it. How do you fuck that up? Except for the domain, you would have used an image, if you had a brain, to do all, probably 100 or 2 laptops, and you had one with no fucking drivers on it. You idiots. You used to have an entire image that had no drivers on it. Okay, that's kind of cool. Anyhow, look at internet security next. Oh, shit by the morons in my high school's IT department. Yeah. Anyhow, it is again the same thing. It's literally a different name. It's like a mustache and my glasses on. It's the same thing. It's just different name. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. So yeah. That's a little family of rogues. I can remove this one, but I only got 2 ways to do it. I've already done both of the 2. Variants. Blah. So yeah, this is the Malware review for November. I have 1 more to go, and I complete my goal of doing 1 Malware every month. I do have to continue these next year, but we'll see. I actually be able to. I'm gonna do that often. I have a lot of videos I want to do. I haven't gotten to them yet, so I want to try to get knocking those out next year. But yeah, I'm gonna use it easy too and quick, so I'm like, this needs to be up tomorrow, and I've been slammed with schoolwork this week, so I probably should be doing that instead of this, but I got time. Alright, hope you all enjoyed the video. Nice seeing you guys. Take it easy.